Hi, I'm Leah. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I want to talk about the functional differences between hyaluronic acid and topical oils. They're often used interchangeably. However, they operate in entirely different biological systems within our skin. Hyaluronic acid is actually a glycosaminoglycan, and it's native to our extracellular matrix. Its primary role is water regulation, not just water for the comfort of our skin, but water availability to our keratinocytes and their signaling, enzymatic processes and enzymatic activity, and barrier lipid synthesis. When hyaluronic acid is applied topically, it has the ability to increase the water content within our skin, specifically within the stratum corneum. This will improve elasticity, diffusion of nutrients, and overall cellular efficiency. However, hyaluronic acid is not occlusive. It's actually hydrophilic, so it's not going to prevent transepidermal water loss. So that means in low humidity environments or within skin that has a compromised skin barrier, it actually can increase water evaporation out of our skin if our skin isn't intact or the water isn't being reinforced with an occlusive. And this is where oils, I think, are misunderstood. That's because topical oils are lipophilic and can be occlusive or semi-occlusive. They function primarily by reducing transepidermal water loss through surface occlusion or partial integration into our intracellular lipid matrix. However, oils do not contribute water like hyaluronic acid. They do not participate in intracellular signaling and do not correct dehydration. They simply preserve existing hydration. And this is why when using products, layering does matter. First, we hydrate, then we protect with our oil. Hyaluronic acid works best on damp skin, followed by a cream or lipid-based product to prevent evaporation. Oils, however, work best after hydration, but never instead of it. When used correctly, hyaluronic acid restores skin function. Oils maintain it. Using both hyaluronic acid and oils doesn't make skin just feel good temporarily. It actually heals and improves it.